guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 face washes for all skin types and for all seasons of the year. I literally use all of these face washes throughout the year and they work so well on my skin. During the summers my skin is too oily, during the winters it starts becoming a little dry, and during the monsoon sometimes my skin also becomes combination, like it's dry from my cheeks but on my T-zone it's oily. So like I have different skin types during different seasons of the year, and these face washes still work out on my skin throughout the year. And the best part is that all of these face washes are super duper affordable, and the starting pricing point is just 65 rupees. So if you want to know my top 5 face washes, then please keep on watching. Number 1 on my list is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. This is the 50 ml variant which retails for rupees 65, and I have been using this face wash since my childhood. Ever since I was in school I have been using this. I still use it and I really like it. It's amazing for normal skin, it's amazing for like all skin types basically, and this does help with pimples. So if you have a lot of pimples, if you have a lot of boils, acne on your skin, this does help with all of that, and it's really gentle on the skin. So I highly recommend you try out this face wash if you're a teenager or if you're in school and you're just starting off with your skincare. This is the perfect, like, simple gentle face wash that you can use. The second face wash that I have is by Mamaearth, and I cannot even count how many tubes of this face wash I've already used up. So this is Mamaearth Uptan face wash, which contains saffron and turmeric as the main ingredients. I just got this from my bathroom. This is completely over and I'm going to be placing this one, the fresh tube, in the bathroom. I keep using this continuously throughout the winter season. It's so good for dry skin. It comes out in the form of a paste, like an Uptan paste. It smells exactly like Uptan ingredients, like saffron and turmeric and sandalwood and all of that. It smells exactly like that, and when you apply it on your skin it doesn't really foam, but it cleans your skin so well, and at the same time it hydrates and moisturizes your skin. So it's amazing for dry skin, it's amazing for the winter time, and even in general if you have normal skin you can use this throughout the year. It's great for normal skin and it's so super duper nourishing. It's got some amazing natural ingredients like saffron, turmeric, which all help in brightening up your skin and giving you that glow, in evening out your complexion, and in removing tan as well. This face wash is great for tan removal. So I highly recommend you check this face wash out if you're looking for a nice natural face wash option, and it's very affordable as well. This retails for rupees 249 for 100 ml of product. It's cruelty free, it's free from harmful toxins, and it is packed with a lot of natural ingredients. So if you're looking for a good face wash for dry skin for the winters, or a natural face wash option, this is the one that you can definitely try out. The third face wash that I have is by the Dermaco. This is their creamy face cleanser, and this is my holy grail product, especially when my skin is all flared up, when I have a lot of acne situation going on, or when my skin becomes too sensitive and too irritated. I love using this face wash. Even before and after chemical peels I used only this face wash because it's so good for sensitive skin, for acne prone skin, and basically for all skin types. It's a soap free and fragrance free formulation, so it's very gentle. It's very calming and soothing for sensitive skin. It cleanses your skin and hydrates it at the same time. It's a non-drying face wash, so you can use it during the winters as well. You can use it if you have dry skin as well, and even for oily skin it's an amazing face wash. The best part is that this is free from harmful toxins like silicone, parabens, dyes and mineral oil. It's also free from fragrance and soap, and this is a Dermat recommended, a Dermat tested and a Dermat formulated face wash. So you can trust this face wash, especially when your skin is going through a bad time. This is really going to come to your rescue. This is really going to help your skin soothe and calm down and clean it at the same time. This retails only for rupees 249 for 100 ml of product, which is a very good price point for a Dermat recommended face wash. The fourth face wash that I have is this Nivea Milk Delights face wash in the variant Saffron. Now saffron is meant for normal skin, and I also enjoy using the honey variant, which is meant for dry skin. Currently I've been using the Mamaearth Uptan face wash during the winter, so I haven't really touched the honey variant of this, but I also like using honey during the winter season. So this is a very gentle face wash. It foams up just the tiniest amount. It's a non-drying face wash, cleanses your skin really well. It smells really nice and good, and yeah, it does the job of a regular face wash, but I love the fact that it's non-drying, it's super gentle and super refreshing. It's very affordable as well. This retails only for ₹90 for 50 ml, which is a very affordable price point. And I absolutely love the tiny packaging. You can easily carry this while traveling as well. You can try out like different variants of this one. It comes in, I believe, 3 variants for like 3 seasons of the year. The fifth and the last face wash that I absolutely love is by Spa Wake. This is their moisture solution face wash. Now this is enriched with a lot of sea minerals, and it's a very refreshing face wash. It does foam up nicely, but at the same time it doesn't dry out your skin, and instead moisturizes your skin a little bit. So you can use this during the winter time. You can also use it during the summers because it's very refreshing. And I love using this especially when I've had a very long and tiring day, when I come home from outside after a very long day, or when I've been wearing makeup for a really long time and I just want that boost of refreshment on my skin. I use this because it's very like super duper refreshing. All skin types can use this. You can use this during all seasons of the year, and the best part is that this is also very affordable. It only retails for ₹95 for 50 grams of product, so it's a very affordable face wash, and it's a very underrated face wash as well. I highly recommend you try this brand out if you haven't already, because all of the other brands are quite common. You know, most of us have already tried them, but this is a very underrated brand, so I highly recommend you check out this face wash and also the other products by the same brand. So yeah, those are my top 5 face washes that I absolutely love, that my skin absolutely enjoys during all seasons of the year. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it wasn't, please hit the like button, and also let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. I would love to make more helpful videos for you all. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that right away, and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.